What's good, fools? Welcome to the channel. Your girl TR back with another review. Today we have Club de Nuit Intense. This is a travel sample, I guess. The hell? People, let me get this done for that freaking Mopar. This Mopar keeps harassing me. If you're a car enthusiast, you know what that means. Stop harassing people. Mopars, leave people alone. So now I love it. But yo, so yeah, this is what it came in. Like I said, this is the travel. It's a travel spray. It's cologne, obviously. Yeah, bro, let's get into it. I'll put like what the actual bottle looks like here if I don't forget. But yeah, but maybe I don't. Yeah, so let's get into it. Like I said, I'm gonna keep saying it, but I'm not the only person who like shakes up that cologne or whatever before they spray. First spray, citrus. Oh, my bad. Hold up. The main notes are citrus, fruity, leather, smoky, woody, aromatic, sweet, fresh, and musky. Like, maybe because this is a travel pack, because I know sometimes in the bottle it's actually different sometimes. Like I said, even with the samples. So if you think I should buy one, comment it down below and do an actual test. Let me know. But the first thing, when you spray it, freaking citrus right in your face, bro. I do not like it. At all. I don't like it. Dude, I don't like it, bro. I'm gonna let it settle down, but I do not like it. It has like a sour smell to it. Like I said, maybe because it's the travel, it's a sample, but I don't like it at all. Like, even when I first did it, and I ordered it, last week, I didn't like it when I first sprayed it. I thought it was disgusting. Like I said, it could be different because it's not in the original bottle where it comes from. But like I said, it has a lot to, from what I've noticed, like, since like I've been starting to become obsessed with colognes for the past year and some change, like the cologne smells so different sometimes depending on the brand. Like, it smells horrible in like the sample bottles, but the actual bottles, it tend to smell a little bit better. But yeah, but I don't like it. I don't smell any fruity. I just smell straight citrus. I smell the leather. I don't smell any sweetness. All I smell is citrus, leather, some type of musk. No sweetness whatsoever. But it's like a sour smell to it, like I said, with the citrus, the leather, and the musk. I don't like it. Like I said, I may have to try from the actual bottle, but I just don't want to buy it. But speaking of that, if I do buy these colognes and I just use it like for that one spray, should I give them away? Like, it'll be for free, obviously. I'm not that type, but especially if I don't like it. But yeah, all I'm getting is citrus, leather. The musk is kind of simmering down, but I don't like it. And I'm getting like a little fresh, like a powder, tiny bit. Sorry, I don't know what the heck that was, but a tiny bit. But yeah, I do not like it, bro. Maybe, like I said, if y'all want me to do like the actual bottle and see how it smells from the bottle, the actual bottle, just let me know. But from this, I do not like it at all. Damn, bitch. Yeah, let me know. I'm sorry, pain in the ass is calling. But yeah, man, I don't like it, dude. At all. I'll give it a 4 out of 10. Uh, if you've tried it from the original bottle, let me know. Because right now I just don't like it. But I'm out because Pain in the Ass is going to call again. But yeah, y'all have a great day. I'm out. Don't forget to vote in the main video of the name of the channel. But yeah, peace and I'm out. Yay, yay.